Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on a NOKIA XR21. And to do this, first we'll need to find the SIM slot on this device, and it's on the bottom of our phone right here. Now take the SIM ejection tool and carefully slip it inside this gap. Now use a bit of a force to release the slot, and inside we can find the SIM slot number 1. And there's also SIM slot number 2 on the other side. And that confirms it, this device does have the dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.